status for the morning of Friday, the 19th of July, 2024. And yes, I'm back already. Not gone very long, to be honest with you. I think I was gone grand total of not being in a plane 48 hours. So came back, tornado hit Chicago. And need I tell you, my home was right there, not in a good spot. All right. So now let's talk about today. In fact, let's talk about what's going on, because I haven't been with you a few days. You've been in a sell-off in the stock market. You had a rotation when I was leaving, when you saw buying going on in the Russell, in the Dow, and a sell-off in the S&P and the NASDAQ. Well, to a degree, that is still going on in those markets, but now you're starting to give back a little more in the Dow, and you can see what's going on in the Russell. Do you remember when all the talk, and I do, well, we're going to see Trump. He's ahead in the polls. The RNC is coming, and the market takes off on his policies. It's going to be inflationary in gold. Well, you've sold off in gold about $100 an ounce from your recent peak. Silver's down quite a bit, over $2 looking at it. And the copper market keeps coming down because we finished yesterday the third plenum in China, and they did absolutely nothing from an outsider looking in to support the real estate markets, to support infrastructure, and I don't see how they're going to be able to help from what the plenum said. What are they going to be doing to the local communities that count on real estate taxes, new sales, and so on to support the budgets? I'm waiting to see, but that's weighing on the copper market already. You're waffling in the foreign currency markets. Dollar getting a small bid, small offer at the same time in the euro, but I view any move today over the 109.50 area in the euro is bullish. I view any close under it at 109 or under as being in the bear side right now. In the grain markets, they've gone nowhere during the period that I was gone most of the week. They've literally just been drifting sideways. Bonds and notes today adding some premium. We saw the RNC take place yesterday. And what really took place was interesting. Donald Trump was so different in the first 60 minutes, but if you saw the last 30 minutes of his speech, the old Donald resurfaced. Vindictive, what he's going to do, all those type of things. So the idea of unity, well, it was there for 60 minutes. It really was. And then it disappeared again. Energy markets, I think they're looking like I am at what happened with China, because the purchases there, I see a slowdown continuing. It's already been slow, but I see that continuing as well. Now, you probably heard today about the huge worldwide outage that took place. Apparently, Microsoft did some type of update. We're looking at how many different major firms, all the airlines, the big ones, all use CrowdStrike. They are grounded. Now, it's gradually coming back, but this will be a day or two of a real problem. Banking got hit. Trading got hit in different parts of the world. So this is all gradually coming back right now. And it sent down CrowdStrike about 16%, Microsoft about 2%. But again, they claim this is not cyber attack in any manner. It's a glitch in the software that it sounds like it came from Office 365 or products like that, and then moved on into the CrowdStrike area. When you look at the data, I didn't even see the Chicago Federal Reserve come out with their numbers. That doesn't mean they didn't. I couldn't find them anywhere this morning. We get a cattle on feed report that comes out at 2 o'clock. And from financial point of view, that's it. We get earnings, other things of that nature coming out. And that's going to be the big test for the tech stocks. The question for them is what's going to happen. Do the earnings say, hey, yes, you sold off, it's just a better buying opportunity, or is this something else that is happening in the marketplace? I think we should all be looking for that. We will be covering that in all of our research. So our trials to the seasonal studies, our technical indicator booklets, all in here. If you go to our website at iraepstein.com, free offers, this is where you get everything. You then put in your name, your email address, any messages. We will get that out. I've been gone, so if you've been signing up, we'll be taking care of that today. But you can see how this all works. So just go there, or you can move your cursor up to the top, and away you go. In the meantime, I will catch up with everybody this weekend as we do our weekend reviews. Yep, I'm back, so we'll get all that done. You have yourself a great trading day, and I'll see you at the end of the day.